Hi, y'all. I want to let you know that Data Guardians always automate low value but high impact tasks. Derek from Distributed DBA here. People either choose to not automate on purpose or because they don't have the time. This is for those who choose not to automate on purpose. I'm sure there are many reasons that people choose not to automate, but the two I most commonly hear are that automation will lead to the loss of my job. And the other one is that automation leads to mistakes. I believe these two reasons are actually excuses for people who choose not to automate. So let's explain each one. Sometimes people are afraid of losing their jobs due to automation. One report last year mentioned that about 1 out of 4 jobs are at risk of job displacement by the year 2030. And this is due to automation. So I can understand the concern here. Unfortunately, history has shown us that efficiency will win in the marketplace eventually. And if you aren't helping to drive that efficiency, then you're probably at higher risk for losing your job when it does arrive. Another reason I hear of people not automating is that there is a potential of mistakes. I mean, if a human isn't there to fix the issue that comes up through automation, then who will fix it if it goes wrong? The reality is that if you kind of limp into automating operational tasks, you run the risk of doing it poorly, and so mistakes will happen. And those mistakes can be very damaging. But that's not really a reason to avoid automating. The truth is that if you automate, you make yourself more valuable. This is because that you have more time to spend on high-value tasks that are hard to automate, instead of the low-value tasks that you were doing manually before. And if you are intentional about automation, you'll make those automation tasks more reliable. Putting in safeguards and solid testing will make your automated tasks less prone for mistakes. Let's look at the flight industry as an example here. Automation in flight didn't make the need for pilots to go away, but it did make flying a lot safer. Technology is ever advancing, and if you want to keep current, you'll want to spend less time on the low-value tasks that are easily automated. A data guardian will be strategic in the tasks that they automate, but automate they will.